Hi guys! Red here. Come spend a day with me and let's have a dorm tour! Yay!
This is the entrance of the dormitory village.
너와 함께 하고 싶은 일들을 상상하는 게 요즘 내
Welcome to Myeonggyo Village.
너의 즐거워하는 모습을 보고
There's a convenience store inside this building.
자연스레 따라 웃고 있는 걸 너의 행동에
This is my dormitory building. It's called Sarang Hall.
마음이 많아지는데 이건 누가 봐도 사랑일 텐데
The view from the entrance of the dorm. There's a basketball court and a football area. And there goes another dormitory hall. Welcome to Sarang Hall. You need to use your fingerprint when you're going to enter the dormitory. This is the announcement area. Some dormitory guidelines. There's a full body mirror here. Hi guys! And now, let's go to my room. My room number is 102. Let's go! This is our bedroom. This is our study table, and this is my side. I have a rolling chair, this is a free calendar from Keimyung University. I have two shelves. This is where I put my essential foods, and this is for my water and essentials. Photo film of me and my friends. This is where I store my important documents, my laundry essentials, and my bath essentials. And that's the view of my study table. This is my bed. Oh, so comfy. These are my drawers. This is where I put my clothes. And this is another one for my pants. This is the window area. This is my view. More dormitories at the back. There are two windows, one clear and the other one blinded. I have two sockets beside my bed and another two on my study table. Right here is our closet. And this is my jackets and hoodies over there. There goes my pants and stuffs. And a small mirror. Oh, this is my cologne, Baby Flo. This is my luggage. This is our trash can. And this is free from the dormitory.
It's in the dormitory.
This is my umbrella. And now for our shoe rack. This is my shoes and my slipper. And 4 layers of shoe rack. Now, before you enter, you remove your shoes here and stand on here your socks or feet. Now, this is our light. Yay, done! Back at the mirror, turn right, and here's our microwave. This is our water dispenser, cold water and hot water. This is our vending machine and our refrigerator. Now, right here is our sink room. There are plenty of sinks here. This is where you can wash your face, brush your teeth, and it also has a hot and cold water. Now, this side is for blow dryer area. And now for our laundry machines. Machine number 1. So you put your clothes in there, inside the circle thingy. Then put some laundry detergent and pay. There is an instruction here that you can follow. And it is cashless. Machine number 2. And the only dryer in our laundry area. We also have a sink for hand wash clothes. Now, right here is our restroom. There are 4 toilets and 2 urinals in total. Right here is the shower room. And here you can put your clothes before going into the shower. There are total of 8 shower stalls. It has a mirror, a shower, and a faucet. It also has a hot and cold water. If you want to sleep outside for the night, you need to answer the sleep out form. This is our lounge area. It is a big space that you can hang out with your friends. It is basically an empty room that you can use anytime. There's also an evacuation plan. And now, at the 1.5th floor, there is a Kelly house, an English-speaking zone area. It is like a normal classroom setup. Going on the second floor, this floor is also for boys' dormitory.
It's just the same.
Everything is just the same. The rooms, the restroom, the laundry area, and the shower room. Here is a study area.
To sit
You can
and
study here anytime you want.
okay. Also, think you can go outside. Oh, it's not.
This is the view from the window. There's a convenience store over there. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.